What's going on, guys? AJ here with Black Wolf Trucking. We still trucking, baby. As you see, we're in a day cab. I know it's been over a year since I uploaded a video, and I don't have any like excuses on like this happened, that happened. I just got lazy with uploading videos and all that. I'm gonna do a whole nother video explaining this break that I took uploading, and I bounced around a couple times trying to figure out what I wanted to do until I landed this local job just recently. So we're just gonna jump in this video. We're headed to Waycross, Georgia right now to pick up a tractor, I believe it is. But like I said, I'll do an explanation throughout this video some, and then I'll make a whole video explaining everything. But y'all stay tuned. All right. So we got our tractor found. We're picking up this one right here. This is my first time ever operating anything with hydraulics. So this is fun. This ground is real soft, so that's why I wanted to load it on the gravel. I didn't want to come over here at all because it's so soft. Yeah. All right, let's get this bad boy fired up. Where's the AC controls? Because it is pretty cold. Here we go. I feel like a repo guy when I'm coming to pick this stuff up, but all I'm doing is just picking it up because they're done renting it. I may actually have to move the camera so I can get lined up properly. These things drive so freaking smooth. All right, I'm gonna back up. All right, that looks lined up, right? I don't know how good you guys can see. Oh, alrighty. I should be good on my front tires, and then the rest of it is gonna be off the side. I think I should stop right here and look. I think I'm just a little bit off centered. I'm pretty good. I'm straight. I just always like to double check, man. I never want to be going up on this trailer all wrong. We ain't got trying to go that fast either. Here we go, here we go. Here we go. I'll lock her in right there. I think we're good. I'm not gonna show you me securing it just because I want to go ahead and get it done, but I'll show you afterwards as always. All right, so that's our bad boy there locked down. We got an X in the front and pulling, I'll show you. But yeah, we got an X in the front. Got our little flag. I would put it further down, but I don't like when it's not flush because I'm scared it's gonna just fly away. We got it pulling to the back, just like that. And now we're gonna take this back to the store, and then we got something else to pick up after that. All right. So right now we're in our skid loader, skid steer. We had to walk all the way down the driveway. So it's like all the way down here. I'll show you in a second here. But it was a good little walk. Not too crazy. Probably about a quarter mile is how far it was. Maybe a little more than a quarter mile. But we couldn't drive the truck down here. Honestly, I probably could have drove the truck down here. And I probably could have turned around. But it's just so soft back here. I don't trust it. But I probably could have got back here and turned around if I had to. But yeah, man, we had to walk all the way back here and get it. So anyway, we ain't got too far. Oh yeah, we're in the middle of it now. All right, we'll sit this bad boy right about here. All right. Stop. All right. So my butt got all wet. Oh man, I love it when they do stuff like this. You got it sitting outside the gate just waiting on me. All I got to do is pull up, security, go, baby. That machine is it's brand new. All right, we're gonna pull up right about here. Nobody should be coming down this road. If they are, then I don't know what to tell you. Secure, we got our flags and everything. Pretty simple machine to secure. Nothing crazy. I'm about to let that down. Man, it's starting to rain, but luckily I was able to get everything secured before it started pouring down. I don't know if it's gonna pour down or not, but I don't want to be out here in it. But anyway, so far this is the last thing I got to do today, and it's 2:40. I'm pretty sure when I get back I'll have something else to either deliver or pick up. I mean, it's still early in the day. I got 30 minutes to get back to the store. Let me turn on my lights and stuff. I like all the lights and stuff on here. It's pretty cool. But all right, we are secured and ready to go, and we're gonna get on down the road. Alrighty. Ow. Bet there's still gnats in here. All right. We're gonna take this bad boy off the truck here. Oh, look at that, you can see. Like I said, these things aren't that hard to drive. Let's turn down that radio. Oh, there's the AC and stuff. All right, here we go. All right, we should be able to go straight back here. Comes the tilt or the teeter. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I gotta stop rocking the damn thing. Alright. Wee. Good, you can see it, but we got a boom lift. I got on a vest, so somewhat of a vest. Here, let me go in the front. So I actually were in a neighborhood. I actually went the wrong way, so I got to drive this thing all the way around to the right destination. Gonna hook up there and get this bad boy started. Should be good there. Let's roll. All right, we finally made it to where we're going. Want to get on that grass. Took way too long. Oh, who's this? All right, guys. We just got that unloaded. I don't even know how well you could see that. But right now we gotta go to Live Oak. We gotta rescue a driver. His axle, something happened with his axle. And I gotta go get the excavator that's on the back of that truck. So now I gotta maneuver around this freaking roundabout that's randomly, unnecessarily here, but I should be good. Yeah, we good. Alright, so yeah, we got about an hour and 15 minutes to get over there to Live Oak to pick that up. And yeah, man, we'll see when we get there. Alright, so we just got the bad boy picked up. He was broke down like right up there. But he said he's gonna try to limp it back to the shop. But he couldn't do that obviously with the freaking thing on. So anyway, we got about an hour drive back to our store, and then we'll see what else we got planned for today. All right, we'll turn that off right now. All right. Shit. All right, so we dropped off that other. Those fold down? Really? Huh. I never used the foot pedals. But we dropped off that one, the other excavator, and now we picked this one up from the store, and we're swapping this one out for this is a 50, and he's got a 60 that we're swapping out. Said it's in the back. Why is this stuff so jerky? All right. Oh, forgot to raise that on the back. All right, so we just parked this bad boy, and there's our one we're picking up over there, I assume. This is the one. Man, this is like what I dream of doing. Clearing out some land, like clearing out stuff. And you can go even bigger than these small ones like this. Like if you got the money, I say get you a higher one. Get you one of them big ones. I dropped off a big one. Not the biggest one, but I dropped off a big one the other day. We're delivering our last one for today. We got back to the store and they had one more for us. A guy was actually there requesting a skid steer, and it started pouring down raining, but luckily it just passed over pretty quick. And now we are about to pull up out here and drop this off. I got some specific instructions on where and how to drop this thing off. So I'm gonna figure that out, and then I'll come back to you guys. All right, guys, so that is it, man, for the day. We dropped this bad boy in the middle of the road. It's a skid steer. I've done several of them. Nothing new going on. Oh crap, I'm gonna have to go out this way. Yeah, I should be good. But yeah, man, so like I said, I'm gonna make a separate video. I'm gonna make a separate video on everything that's been going on this past year, and there's still the rest of this week to go, but I got something big going on for Thursday, so that's why I'm kind of just I want to split the video because I don't want to make the video super long. But yeah, man, we local now. This is something that I really enjoy doing. Like I said, I'll explain everything in the next one, so I'll see you guys whenever I do that.